Hi everyone, it's Sir Tian. Welcome to academic year 2020 and 2021. Congratulations, you have passed grade 11, and I believe it's not because of COVID-19, okay? So, our first topic today is about so that and such that. Before I explain it, make sure you have prepared your notebooks, pay attention to important points, and make some notes. Well, let's check it out. So basically, so that and such that are considered adverb of degree. It shows a degree of something, can be quantity or quality. And they are used in a sentence that shows cause and effect with emphasis, because cause and effect can also be shown with no emphasis. Okay, so here's the pattern you can use when you write a sentence using so that and such that. Now let's talk about so that. As you see, there is an adjective or adverb between so and that. This shows a degree of quantity that shows how much or how many something is. Example, I was so sleepy that I couldn't keep my eyes open. Can you identify the cause and the effect? That's right. I was sleepy is the cause, and I couldn't keep my eyes open is the effect. Now, when I put so before sleepy, it means I give emphasis on sleepy, or I can say I am very sleepy. And because of that, there is something happens as the result of me being very sleepy, which is I couldn't keep my eyes open. That's why the sentence is I was so sleepy that I couldn't keep my eyes open. The second sentence uses adverb beautifully between so and that. Again, the use of so means I give emphasis on the adverb beautifully, or I can say she plays piano very beautifully. And that gives a result or an effect, which is I want to buy her album. That's why the sentence becomes she plays piano so beautifully that I want to buy her album. Okay, now what about such that? Have a look at the pattern below. In the first sentence, there is a noun between such and that, and it is a great movie. When I use such, it's like saying it is a very great movie. And because of that, I have watched it several times. The sentence becomes it's such a great movie that I've watched it several times. Remember, such here indicates a degree of quality, not quantity. Great shows the quality of a movie. In the second sentence, the cause is she is a charming woman and the effect is everybody stares at her. It will be different when I say she is a charming woman and she is a very charming woman. That's why the use of such gives emphasis on charming. As the result, everybody stares at her. The sentence becomes, she is such a charming woman that everybody stares at her. This is how so that and such that show cause and effect relationship in sentences. Have a look and pay attention. It's easy, right? Now, I bet you can make a sentence using so that and such that. Okay, next I will show you another use of so and such without that in sentences. First, so can be used to show emphasis. Let's hang out at my house. I have so much food. The use of so gives emphasis on quantity rather than quality. Or to show cause and effect but with no emphasis. I saw a falling star, so I made a wish. Or to show average level. How's English class today? So-so, nothing special. You can also use so to show other similar things. He likes winter sports like snowboarding and skiing and so on. or to show approximation. I'm not sure the cost of motorcycle. It's 90 million rupiah or so. Okay, now the use of such. Such can be used to show emphasis. You have such a beautiful daughter. But remember, this time such emphasizes quality, not quantity. Next, such is used to show similarity, as in, she is such an angel for us. Thank God you are here. You're such a savior. Or to show something that has been mentioned before. Love is complicated. Such thing is hard to understand. We will not accept the contract as such or like such. Like so, such can also be used to show other similar things, like in we discussed politics, economy, culture, and such. Or to give example, bring warm clothes such as wool sweaters, hats, and boots. Well, are you still there? We almost come to the end of this video. Finally, I'm gonna show you some common mistakes that sometimes happen. Please identify the mistakes and try to correct them all. Alright, after watching this video, prepare some questions to be asked and you can ask me when we meet online. Thank you for watching, see you and God bless you.